Hello. Mic check 1, 2. Hello, what is up, guys? It's me, your boy, Buds, back at it again with another video. So, for today is another educational video po na. And it's all about building technology for specification writing and quantity survey. So, summary of learnings to na for this sem na kung ano yung mga natutunan ko with our subject. So, I made a presentation para mas madali nyo guys maintindihan. This will just be a brief summary ng mga lessons and other extracurricular activities na ginawa natin for this sem. So, welcome guys. And first of all is specification. So, specification definition, the part of contract documents consisting of a detailed description of the technical nature of the materials, standards, and quality of execution of the work to be placed under contract. So every project is we need a specification writing, details ng bawat materials, cost, and labor cost ng mga need nating materials sa bawat project and mga kung ilang piraso like the CHB and the hollow blocks, kailangan may specification writing yon. So, there are types of specifications. Naglagay ako dito ng tatlo. First is performance specification, a specification that stipulates how a particular component or system must perform without giving the means to be employed to achieve the result. Next is descriptive specification, a specification that stipulates the exact quantities and qualities of materials to be furnished and how they are to be assembled in a construction. Next is reference specification, a specification that refers to a standard specification to indicate the properties desired in a material or component and the methods of testing required to substantiate the performance of product. So, mostly is, I think, ang lagi kong nagagamit when it comes to our activities is the descriptive specification since nililist down ko isa-isa yung need na materials for a specific project like kunyari ilang CHB then nandun din yung sizes, qualities, and mga furnishings nila and finishes. So, yep, descriptive specification yung mostly nagagamit ko talaga. Next, we also tackle about the uniform system, the master format, and here's the definition. A format developed by the Construction Specification Institute for coordinating specifications, feeding of technical data and product literature and construction, cost accounting, organized into 16 divisions based on the interrelationship of material, trade, or function. I think dapat this is supposed to be 50. Right? Yeah. Tama, 50 divisions yun. I think may typo sa nagawa kong presentation. Sorry for that. That's 50 divisions. Then, ito yung pinaka-highlight ng ating subject or course, which is the estimating. We tackled estimating civil and structural works. Estimating civil works, which is ito yung excavations, yung paghuhukay ng lupa para sa foundation and sa footing na gagamitin na which is estimating structural work. So, natutunan ko dito is you can do it by area method and by volume method. Then, i-apply mo yun para makuha mo kung ilang cubic meter ng semento ang need para sa excavation. Next is estimating architectural materials and finishes. So, floor and wall finishes. Wall finishes refer to the material used to cover the surface of the interior walls in a building. So, yep, by area method then, you need to get the surface area ng one part ng room or building, depende kung interior or exterior. Then, add all the surface area, then compute for the depende kasi kung anong gagamitin mong finishes kung paint or cladding or wall slats. So, it depends sa project and sa design mo. Next, sealing finishes. Sealing finishes refer to the materials and methods used to cover and decorate the upper surface of a room such as paint, wallpaper, tiles, wood, paneling, or textured plaster. The choice of sealing finish can affect the acoustic, lighting, and overall style of space. So, yep. By area method din to. Just get the total surface area ng ceiling. Then, kung may openings, i-subtract nyo yung area nun sa area ng total area. Then, that would be your surface area. Sabi dito is pwedeng paint, wallpaper, tiles, wood paneling, or textured plastered. And gusto ko din dito yung sinabi sa definition na nakaka-affect yung acoustic, lighting, and overall style of space, which is may mga ceiling kasi na sa acoustic is gusto niyo ng ab, may room absorption, sound absorption yung ano, which is natakal sa building utilities natin. Next is estimating electrical materials. This is yung ano sa upcoming assignment natin din. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Electrical fundamentals. Electrical fundamentals refers to the electrical basic terms and concepts you should understand before taking on an electrical project. It's not hard to get a good understanding of the electrical fundamentals. Understanding electrical fundamentals and the electrical basics starts with understanding that all electrical equipment is rated in watts, volts, and amps. So if I think most of us is tapos naman na sa building utilities 2. Natakal din yung ano naman, yung kung ano yung watts, ano yung volts, ano yung amps. So, ayun. So, next naman is estimating plumbing fixtures. Ito rin yung isa sa upcoming na activities natin na which is ongoing pa and ginagawa ko pa lang din. Plumbing fundamentals. The purpose of plumbing is to get water to a structure for the use of occupants and removes sewage and use of unwanted water from the building and surrounding areas. This is achieved by the means of plumbing fixtures and pipes and fittings. So, sa pag-estimate kasi guys ng plumbing, ano na lang to based on my own understanding. May mga specific size tayo ng pipes na dapat talagang gamitin sa specific, like sa water line, hindi ka pwede gumamit ng sobrang laking pipe na gagamitin mo lang is para sa water line naman. Then, sa sewage or sanitary line naman is hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng sobrang liit na pipe kasi magbabara yun. So, ganun. Kaya, kailangan specify talaga siya pag-estimate. So, I think dun matatapos yung module, lahat ng module sa plumbing, estimating plumbing works and plumbing materials. Pero may additional learnings tayo na in-add ko, which is the WorldX 2023 experience. The attending WorldX 2023 is maraming what you call this, knowledge and learnings and of course enjoyment yung na-experience natin nung umattend tayo doon, which is very good for us architecture students. Next is Ma'am Ang also discussed the principle of well, which is wait lang, nandito well seeks to measure the attributes of a building that impact on the occupant by looking at 7 areas: air, water, nourishment, light, fitness, and comfort. May mga structure kasi na well certified na pag nag-estimate sila or nag-specification writing is may specific na what you call this, occupant sila, like for hospital, if a hospital is a well certified structure is dapat yung criteria ng well is check sila lahat doon. Next is other extracurricular activities, which are the seminars and other events na inattendan natin in this whole sem, which is yung mga seminars kagaya ng last time, which is we attend the seminars about the UAPSA, yung about sa resilience infrastructures nila, about ano yun PVC pipe na ginamit nila sa COVID, which is yung mga resilience infrastructure na kailangan pa ng ating bansa. So, I think dun magtatapos yung presentation ko and that's my summary of learnings for this course or subject, Building Technology 4. specification writing and quantity survey. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for listening.